Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll walk you through the easy steps to set up your T-Mobile internet. Whether you're working, streaming, or just browsing, T-Mobile Internet offers fast, reliable connectivity. Follow along, and you'll be online in no time. Let's dive in. First, let's unbox your T-Mobile Internet kit. Inside the box, you should find the 5G gateway, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Ensure that all these items are included before proceeding. Next, find a suitable location for your 5G gateway. Ideally, place it near a window to ensure it gets the best signal. Avoid placing it near thick walls, metal objects, or other electronics that could interfere with the signal. The device will power on automatically. Give it a few minutes to fully boot up and connect to the network. The light on the device will change from flashing to solid when it's ready. Now, let's connect your devices to the gateway. Look at the bottom of the gateway to find the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. On your phone, tablet, or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings, select the T-Mobile network, and enter the password provided. For an enhanced experience, download the T-Mobile Home Internet app from the App Store or Google Play. This app allows you to monitor your network, manage connected devices, and even find the best placement for your gateway. Open the T-Mobile Home Internet app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your network. You can personalize your Wi-Fi network name and password to something easy to remember. Once done, your setup is complete. If you run into any problems or need help, our expert team is ready to assist. Just give them a call at 323-471-3045 for support. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it. Your T-Mobile Internet is now set up and ready to use. Enjoy fast and reliable internet across all your devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.